Now we are solving questions related to addition and subtraction together. In this type of questions we have to do addition as well as subtraction in that also. So for this, here it is given an example: 6786 minus 2086 plus 2597 minus 3967. So in this question, both the negative and positive numbers are given to us, and we have to perform both the addition as well as subtraction in the same question. So how we have to solve this type of question? In this type of question we have to do step 1, we have to add the numbers with positive sign before them. Then step 2, we have to add the numbers with negative sign before them. Then in step 3, subtract the second sum from the first sum. So means in step 1 we have to add the numbers with positive sign. So the numbers which are having positive sign are 6786 and 2597. So we have added both the numbers. 7 plus 6 13, 3 here and 1 over carry. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 9 18, so 8 here 1 over carry. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, so 3 here 1 over carry. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9, so we got 9383. Now in step 2, add the numbers with negative sign before them. So now we have to add the numbers which are having negative sign before them. So the numbers are which are having negative sign before them are 2086 and 3967. So we have written them in the columns. Now we will add this. 6 plus 7 13, so 3 here 1 over carry. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15, 5 here 1 over carry. 9 plus 1 10, 0 here 1 over carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. So we got 6053. Now in third step what we have to do, we have to subtract the sum from the first sum. So second, we have to subtract the second sum from the first sum. So first sum is having, our answer is 9383. So firstly we have write that. Then second answer is ours 6053. So we have written that also. Now we will subtract that. 3 minus 3 0, 8 minus 5 3, 3 minus 0 3, 9 minus 6 3. So like this we are solving the questions which are having both addition as well as subtraction in them. So now let us start our exercise. Self practice 4F. In this our first question is simplify 4521 minus 1325 plus 785. So this we have to solve. So let us solve in a notebook. Question number 1 is 4521 minus 1325 plus 785. We have to solve this question. So for this, what was our rule? That firstly we have to add the positive digit positive sign numbers, then we will subtract the negative sign number. So firstly we will add these two numbers. So our question will 4521 plus 785. Now we will add these numbers. What we are getting in this? 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 2 10, 0 here 1 over carry. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 13, so 3 here 1 over carry. 4 plus 1 5, so we got 5306. Now from this number we will subtract 1325. So we will write first our answer 5306, then 1325. We have to deduct this number from this, so we will do minus now. Now 6 is smaller than 5, sorry 6 minus 5 is 1, so we are writing 1 here. Now 0 is smaller than 2, so we have to take 1 borrow from here. Here it becomes 10, and here 3 minus 1 becomes 2. 10 minus 2 is 8, so we are writing 8 over here. 2 minus 3 we can't do because 2 is smaller, so we have to take 1 borrow here. It becomes 12, and 5 minus 1 is 4, so we are writing 4 over here. 12 minus 3 is 9, so we are writing 9 over here. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we got the answer 3981. So our answer is 3981. Now let us solve the next question. Second question, question number 2. What we have to do? We have to 8765 minus 2869 minus 5400 6. So now again, now both the digits are given in minus form, in negative form. So firstly we will add these two numbers now. So firstly we will add 2869 5406, because our first step was to add the positive sign numbers, but positive sign numbers is only one. So second step we have to add the negative sign numbers. So we are doing the negative sign numbers, we are adding first, because positive sign number is only 1 here. 9 plus 6 is 15, so 5 here, 1 over carry, 6 plus 1 7, 8 plus 4 12, so 2 here, 1 over carry. Now 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, so we got 8275. Now we will deduct 8275 from 8765, as 8765 is the bigger number than 8275. Now we will subtract this. 5 minus 5 0. Now 6 minus 7 we can't do because it is smaller than 6. 6 is smaller than 7, so we will take one borrow. Here it becomes 16. 7 minus 1 is 6. 16 minus 7 is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 minus 8 0. So we got the answer 490. So our answer is 490. Now we will solve the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given to us 4036 minus 1952 plus 3945 minus 3187. So in this, now we have to add first the positive sign numbers. So positive sign number is 4036 and 3945. So firstly we will add these two numbers, because our step 1 is to add the positive numbers. 6 plus 5 is 11, so 1 here, 1 over carry. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 0 plus 9 9, 4 plus 3 7. Now we have, in step 2 we have to add the negative sign numbers. So negative sign number is 1952 and 3187. Now we have to add these two numbers. So we got 2 plus 7 9, 5 plus 8 13, so 3 here, 1 over carry. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 here, 1 over carry. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5. So we got here 5139. Now in step 3 we have to subtract the second sum from the first sum. So firstly we will write 7981, then we have to subtract from it the second sum, that is 5139. So we will minus it. What we are getting here, 11, 1 is smaller than 9, so we have to take one borrow, it becomes 11, and 8 minus 1 will become 7 here. 11 minus 9 is 2, so we are writing 2 over here. 7 minus 3 is 4, so we are writing 4 over here. Now 9 minus 1 is 8, so we are writing 8 over here. 7 minus 5 is 2, so we are writing 2 over here. So our answer in this will be 2842.